Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we are going to be breaking down this intro by the legendary Smj. Yes, so a lot of you have asked for a breakdown of this stuff, and to the best of my knowledge, this is what I can actually put out for you guys. I mean, I might not be 100% correct, but I mean, let's go. So the key of A flat and the key of F rather. So the movement starts like this. So you have, so the melody is dun, 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 dun. So you have, so as you have the melody in front, so you just you can actually just play the chords. So you get, so then you do the same thing on B flat, on E flat rather. So you have done, so yeah, so you this player now, you this, so I'll do it again slowly. First thing, 4 6 5, then you can do anyone, or you do, or you do, so this is a very good thing. You can see. So then go to B flat, go to E flat rather. You do I like this 4. You can hear the 4 sound. Right, so dun, 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 so dun, 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 dun. Then you do this movement. Make sure you get my intermediate course to understand some of these things. So you're doing melody, so you have first chord, second chord, right, third chord, then so the melody is, but you see the way I'm playing, just play 4. You need to get my intermediate course if you haven't, because you understand why I play. So instead of just playing, so you have right. So let's start from the beginning. So you're doing for me on E flat, come back to F sharp, on F rather, and do the same thing for me. Now there's this run. Now at first I was thinking it was this, but I think it is this instead. So this is, yeah, you can see it on the screen. Those are they. So B flat, C, D, E, F, G, A flat, B flat, and C. So here now I can start stacking this. So I'll play this instead. So you see it. Right, so then that's the end. So what I'm playing is fa, then la, so. So you need to the melody helps you to structure all these things, right? So what I played was 4-6-2. Let there be, so let there be praise, let there be praise. So the bass player was playing, let there be praise, right? But now you can want to stretch. You can do let there be praise, or you can still do the same, or let's say. But I prefer the so it sounds let there be praise. All right, so then they modulated to F now. Right on F. What I did there was get my intermediate course to understand slows like this. So then they moved to A. Now we're on F, right? Then I moved to A. So what I did is quarter chords is in my intermediate course, so you understand this. I don't need to be explaining it. So I do this. Waiting I go give to you. Sorry. Waiting I go give to you. Yes. So you can incorporate it in your play. So when you do waiting I go give. Alright, so let's play the whole idea from the beginning slowly, and we move on. So sorry. Right. Then then you can do. So guys, this is the end of this lesson. I hope you're able to pick out a few things from this lesson. Alright, so please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and make sure you get my intermediate course. Intermediate course is selling. Make sure you get my loop pack. Loop pack is also selling. I also have beginners course. Please make sure you also get that. And trust me, the table of content is in the link there. So when you open it, you'll find everything, and you'll see how I think intermediate course is like 15 topics, right? While the beginners course I think is 13 also. Yes. And rich topics, trust me. A lot of people, for those of you that have gotten it, I would love that you drop comments here so people can actually see that if you have not gotten these things, you are missing a lot. All right, so God bless you guys. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. God bless you.